Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is regarding the Tableau. I think most of you are familiar with this and some of you are not familiar with Tableau. So Tableau is used for data visualization and I am thinking to start the Tableau series in our channel. If you are interested, just comment down in the comment section. So before starting the Tableau series, so let us download the Tableau. So where we have different platforms like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public and Tableau Prep, etc. So but coming to Tableau Public, so where everybody can access this and use this. So this Tableau Public is a free platform where you can create, explore and share your data visualization publicly in online. So this is a free platform, so there is no need of paying any money for this. So that's why in this video I'm going to share you how to download the Tableau Public. So instead of going into the websites and other pages, I will provide you the direct link in the description, so check it out. So this is the link where you can you can redirect it to the page on one single click. So this link will be provided in the description. If you want to download it, you can just go through that link. So here you can see this download Tableau Public. Okay, just click that to download the Tableau Public. And you can also check out for the system requirements if you want, otherwise just go with this link. And here you have to type your first name, last name, business email, country. Like I want to use some temporary mail. You can go with your personal email. Okay, because you need to sign in and do everything, so that's why just go with your personal email and give your country. And just click download the app. So directly it will start downloading, but coming to my the pop-up was blocked, so that's why I have to click it here again. So the download has started, so it will take some time. And one more information is you can learn Tableau or Power BI for data visualization. Like whoever interested in the data analyst, they can go with the Tableau or Power BI. But coming to Tableau Public, it will have some less features when compared with the Tableau Desktop. And the main thing is, in the next coming video I will make a video on how to create the student license for Tableau Desktop, so that you can have the 1 year free license. You can utilize the Tableau Desktop for free with your student license. And just let me know what type of content you need, so that I can make some videos in which I have some knowledge. And if you have any doubts regarding the Tableau, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely provide you the solution for that. Once it complete its download, then we will go through the installation process. Yeah guys, once the installation and download process is completed, you can see a shortcut of Tableau Public is created like this, which you can see here. So just to open this application, just give the double click on that. So you will be redirected to the Tableau Public interface, so which we will learn in the coming videos. So this is how the interface of the Tableau look likes, and we will learn about all this in the coming videos. And thank you for watching.